Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the MKB Captain. So guys, the Galaxy S11 is the next killer smartphone in 2020. The more updates come about the S11, Samsung is giving final touch to the upcoming S11 series of a smartphone, as the launch is only 2 to 3 months away. Of all their 3 models of the S11 lineup, the S11, S11e and S11 Plus. The most target about smartphone is the Galaxy S11 Plus. A rumor has it that the Galaxy S11 Plus will be the new camera king, beating the iPhone 11 Pro. The Ice Universe also tweet about the upcoming S11. He said the Galaxy S11 Plus use a 1 by 1.3 inch 108 megapixel Samsung exclusive custom sensor, which is superior in quality to ISOCELL Bright HMX and has a high cost. Some people have misunderstood. Samsung does not use ISOCELL Bright HMX but new CMOS with the same sensor size. Don't think that all 108 megapixel sensors are HMX. The reason behind the camera success of the S11 Plus could be the use of 1 by 1.3 inch 108 megapixel Samsung exclusive custom sensor, which will be different from the ISOCELL Bright HMX sensor in terms of a quality but will be similar in size according to the Leakster Ice Universe. 108 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL Bright HMX is a camera sensor that you can find on the latest Mi Note 10. Needless to say, the new custom sensor that the Samsung Galaxy S11 is going to use will be superior to the existing HMX sensor, which means the image quality will also be better than what ISOCELL Bright HMX sensor produced. It will also be capable of recording super high resolution video. The camera module in S11 Plus is also going to be different from the other two models, S11 and S11e. The Galaxy S11 Plus is going to have a very big camera module, which will make up for very strong camera performance. So guys, this is the current update about the Galaxy S11 lineup. Comment below your thought about the Galaxy S11, and if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos. Enable the bell icon for my latest videos notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.